Achieving Peak Gaming Performance on Windows 10 Step-by-Step Guide. Optimizing Windows 10 for gaming involves several steps to ensure that your system is running at its best performance. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Update Windows and Drivers. Number 1. Update Windows. Go to Settings, Update and Security. Windows Update. Click Check for updates and install any available updates. Number 2. Update graphics drivers. For NVIDIA, use the GeForce Experience app or download from the NVIDIA website. For AMD, use the Radeon software or download from the AMD website. For Intel, use the Intel driver and support assistant or download from the Intel website. Step 2. Adjust visual effects for performance. Number 1. Open System Properties. Right-click on this PC on your desktop or in File Explorer and select Properties. Click on Advanced System Settings on the left. Number 2. Adjust for best performance. In the Performance section, click Settings. Select Adjust for best performance. Alternatively, you can choose Custom and select specific effects to keep if you prefer. Step 3. Optimize Power Settings. Number 1. Open Power Options. Go to Control Panel, Hardware and Sound, Power Options. Select High Performance. Number 2. Create a custom power plan. Optional. Click on Create a Power Plan on the left. Choose High Performance. Name your plan and customize it further. Step 4. Disable unnecessary startup programs. Number 1. Open Task Manager. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Number 2. Disable unnecessary programs. Right-click on programs you don't need to start with Windows and select Disable. Step 5. Configure Game Mode. Number 1. Enable Game Mode. Go to Settings, Gaming, Game Mode. Turn on Game Mode. Step 6. Disable Background Apps. Number 1. Open Background App Settings. Go to Settings, Privacy, Background Apps. Number 2. Turn off Background Apps. Toggle off Let Apps Run in the background or disable specific apps. And before we proceed on step number 7, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Step 7. Adjust in-game settings. Number 1. Open Game Settings. Launch your game and go to its Settings or Options menu. Number 2. Optimize graphics settings. Lower settings like shadow quality, texture quality, and anti-aliasing if you need better performance. Use the recommended settings from tools like NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Radeon software. Step 8. Manage storage and clean up. Number 1. Free up space. Go to Settings, System, Storage. Use Storage Sense to automatically free up space. Number 2. Defragment and optimize drives. Type Defragment and optimize drives in the Windows search bar and select the tool. Select your primary drive and click Optimize. Step 9. Adjust network settings for online gaming. Number 1. Enable Quality of Service or QoS. Access your router settings and enable QoS to prioritize gaming traffic. Number 2. Use a wired connection. Whenever possible, use an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable connection. Step 10. Regular maintenance. Number 1. Keep drivers updated. Regularly check for updates for your graphics card, sound card, and other hardware components. Number 2. Monitor system health. Use tools like Task Manager, Resource Monitor, or third-party apps to keep an eye on system performance and address any issues. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Windows 10 system is optimized for the best gaming performance possible. And there you have it, folks. Those are the top tips to optimize your Windows 10 for an incredible gaming experience. I hope you found this guide helpful and that your games run smoother than ever. Remember, it is not just about the hardware. A little bit of tweaking can go a long way. As always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Before we go, I want to leave you with a magical quote. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. Keep dreaming, keep striving, and keep playing. Together, we can make every gaming session extraordinary. Thank you so much for your support and for being a part of this amazing community. Your positivity and enthusiasm make all the difference. Until next time, happy gaming and take care. Bye for now.